definitely back now. We did have a snag there. We did have a lot in the vault, fortunately, meaning a lot of classes. So for all you people with the yearly subscriptions especially, they're coming, don't worry. We have Bernice, who's doing a slipcover class. I think you're going to find her style much different than mine. She is really good though, and she's a good educator. And for all those who signed up for upholstery classes and you're wondering why we're doing slipcover classes, well, as you know, if you're doing upholstery, you need some sewing ability. I think you're going to learn from her classes, definitely. So we're going to be adding classes like that. She's going to be doing other classes. And then Michelle, she's finishing up one more class. We're going to have a lot of content for her. And then Jimmy, I mean, we have upcoming a lot, so stay tuned. And I know that you've been enjoying the ones, you're probably repeating those ones, and you're going to be building your skill. And I think moving forward, too, we're going to have this supplies for sale on the website that I think are going to really complement your building skill levels. In other words, we're going to try to focus on you getting the right supplies and not over ordering and things like that. So I think just to reach out, we're going to be great partners. That's what we're looking to partner with you to build a career or a really great hobby. So looking forward to the rest of the year. So we'll see you later.